Hey, have you noticed how much money we spend on welding consumables every month? It's a significant part of our budget, but I'm not sure why we need so many different types.
You're right. Welding consumables are a crucial aspect of our operations. Without the right materials, our welds would be subpar, and that could lead to serious safety issues.
I get that we need them, but what exactly are welding consumables? Can you break it down for me?
Absolutely. Welding consumables are the materials that are consumed or used up during the welding process. They include things like welding electrodes, filler metals, shielding gases, and flux.
Okay, that makes sense. But why do we need so many different types?
Each type of welding consumable serves a specific purpose. For instance, the type of electrode we use depends on the base metal we're welding and the desired weld properties, like strength or corrosion resistance.
I see. And what about the shielding gases? Why do we need different ones?
Shielding gases protect the molten weld pool from atmospheric contamination, ensuring a strong, clean weld. The gas we use depends on the welding process and the base metal. For example, argon is commonly used for TIG welding aluminum.
And the flux? I've seen different types of flux being used, but I'm not sure what it does.
Flux is a crucial component in some welding processes, like submerged arc welding. It protects the weld from oxidation, helps in metal transfer, and can even provide alloying elements to the weld.
Wow, I had no idea there was so much science behind welding consumables. No wonder we have to be so careful in selecting the right ones.
Exactly. Using the wrong consumables can lead to defective welds, which could compromise the integrity of the entire structure. That's why it's so important to understand their functions and choose the right ones for each job.
Thank you for the detailed explanation. I have a much better understanding now of why we invest so much in welding consumables.